logs I was carrying just fell over there. I can't get them back on my own. Help me!
Okay! Billy's Excavator